Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the Apple 20-watt power adapter. As I had said about this unboxing video of the power adapter in the previous video, iPhone 12 unboxing. As I am saying, now I am going to unbox this. I am going to show the box. Apple USB-C 20-volt power adapter. This adapter is compatible with Apple Watch, iPhone and iPad. The present price of this adapter is 1900. That means 1900. Now guys, I am going to open the box. Here we can see we have to pull this. And now we can open the box. And this is the power adapter user manual. This is the adapter. This is the USB cable of the iPhone 12. And guys, now let's charge the iPhone 12. So guys, this is the unboxing video of the Apple USB-C 20-watt power adapter. If you haven't seen our previous video, I will put the link in the description. Please check it out. And if you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more live updates, please click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.